On today's menu is a chicken curry recipe with coconut milk. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. I won't be using a blender today. I like using coarsely crushed ginger and garlic for this recipe. If you do not have a mortar and pestle, you can use a grater. We need a coarse grind like this. Next we will be making a spice powder blend. 1 teaspoon of heaped Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of any curry powder. I have a video on how to make curry powder, or you can use store-bought, whatever you think will be easier for you. I also used half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add about 1/4 cup of water, mix well, and your spice paste is all done. Heat oil over medium heat. Once the oil turns hot, add sliced onions along with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Fry the onions on medium-high heat till they soften down. We don't need to brown the onions too much, as that will change the flavor as well as the color of this curry. But the onions need to get soft. It is very important for the onions to get soft whenever you make any curry. In that way you won't be left with onions staring at you at the end. The onions need to blend in with the gravy. Stir them very frequently on medium-high heat. And my friends, please be patient when it comes to onion sitting. The onions will release their water, and that water needs to be dried. My onions have softened down, so next in line is crushed ginger and garlic. Stir the ginger and garlic for 2 minutes and then add the chicken. As always, whenever it comes to making chicken curry, I like using bone-in skinless chicken. You can use chicken thighs or drumsticks or a combination of both. Now we need to fry the chicken on medium-high heat. Here the onions are already fried and there is no chance that they will release any more water. So what we are doing here is frying the chicken with the onions, ginger and garlic. And what they will do is they will make the chicken aromatic. So my friends, there is a reason for each and every step whenever you are making a chicken curry. It's not like something where you just pour everything into the pot, then rush right and left with your spoon, and then throw in some spices and think you are done. Patience is the key here, but it is highly rewarding. Just trust me. Fry the chicken on medium-high heat till they get this creamish color on them. Then it is spice time. Add the spice paste and stir on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next in line is tomato along with 1/4 cup of rinsed out spice cup goodness. I also added a heaped teaspoon of salt. You want the tomatoes to turn soft and mushy. Once you see the tomatoes have broken down and have turned mushy, add a cup of hot water along with 3 fresh whole green chillies. Please remember to add hot water. Then cover on low heat for 30 minutes or until the meat starts to almost fall off the bone. In between, remember to give a stir to ensure that nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. At the 20-minute mark, remove the lid, add a teaspoon of garam masala powder and increase the heat of your stove to thicken the gravy. If you feel your gravy is thick enough, please skip this step. For me, I like it to be a bit thicker. See how the meat is loosening up from the bones? That means the chicken has turned soft. And I like my chicken to be soft, but that doesn't mean that Bumbi is toothless. Okay, my gravy has thickened up to my desired consistency. So next comes the star of the show, that is a cup of thick coconut milk. Now after adding coconut milk, please lower the heat of your stove to medium because too high heat might make the coconut milk to split. At the same time, do not cook for too long after adding the coconut milk. Just keep it on medium-low heat for 5 minutes. I like to add both coriander leaves and a little bit of mint leaves for this recipe. You can add any greens of your choice. Switch off the heat after 5 minutes and add some fresh lemon or lime juice. Somebody once asked me why I use my hands while squeezing lemons. My friends, this is to catch those unwanted lemon seeds. And according to me, at times, My clean hands are the best tools in my kitchen. This chicken curry goes best with hot steamed rice or roti or naan. I also like garnishing it with some chopped fresh red chillies, but it is totally optional. Please click the like button if you've enjoyed watching this video. And do send me your feedback after trying this recipe. And remember, my friends, take care of yourself and each other. Bye bye.